Oh my god, that's so pretty.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be trying out some new products that I got from Dose of Colors. Dose of Colors reached out and wanted to send me some products. Your girl got a PR box. Like, what? From Dose of Colors? I remember like watching YouTubers before I even started doing YouTube, and they would get PR boxes and I'm like, dang, they get all that free makeup. So I don't know, for a company like Dose of Colors to reach out to me and send me some makeup, I don't know, I felt like that was kind of lit. But anyway, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me some comments down in the comment section below as you're watching. Let me know your thoughts throughout the video. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Now first, I'm going to prime my skin. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I haven't used this in a little minute. I was watching some of my older videos and I'm like, I used to have the camera a bit closer. I wanted to get back into doing that. Just having it up close. What's the point of having it so far back when I'm showing you guys the makeup, right? So Dose of Colors sent me over 2 different concealers. These are their Meet Your Hue full coverage concealers, and they are vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, and paraben-free. They sent 21 and 23. One is like closer to my skin tone and the other one for my highlight shade. I'm gonna apply that underneath my eyes. And that was shade 23. Now I'm going to go in with shade 21. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out. They did not send me over a contour shade, so I am going to use my Sephora foundation stick in the shade Teak. Alright, I'm gonna blend that out. Not me pinching the out of my nose though. Y'all been picking up on so many new makeup tips. I'm actually considering doing a makeup, like a virtual makeup class. I feel like it would just be good for those who are really trying to learn how to do their own makeup, and even for those of you who are trying to be a makeup artist. I used to be a makeup artist and I know so many different like tips and tricks that helped me when I was doing makeup, or just things that I do on myself. I don't necessarily always show on camera, because if I did try to like really focus on the whole blending process, it would take forever to edit the video, and some people just can't really grasp the concept of what I'm doing because I have been doing it for so long. Me trying to show you guys an hour and a half long makeup tutorial crammed into like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to start doing that. I think that would be fun. And it would give me the opportunity to really get to know some of you. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so for foundation, Joseph Colors sent me over 3 different shades. I feel like this one is too light. 129 looks like it's a little too yellow. I have 130 here, and I think this one might be a good match for me. Let's see. 129 is a little too light for me, so I'm gonna stick with 130. I think this is more my shade. And this foundation is vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, paraben-free, oil-free, and fragrance-free. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna blend. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the concealer is breaking up underneath my eyes. It's creasing. So I don't know if that's because I didn't set it right away, or if that's because this is just what this concealer is like. But I'm going to apply a little bit more. I don't really like that. I like for my concealer to stand the test of time, just something that I do not like. So I am going to try to set it right away, because I don't want that to happen. But if it does crease while the powder is on it, I'm gonna be pretty upset, because I got somewhere to be. To set underneath my eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Kunafa. Alright, so I'm gonna bronze using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in the shade 4. To prime my eyes, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. You guys, I love doing my makeup when I don't have a frontal on and when my nails are shorter, because I feel like I can just get in there. Okay, so the 2 eyeshadow palettes that they sent me are Sassy Siennas and Baked Browns. So the palettes do come with a brush, and this one just has taupes and browns. Those are like my most favorite shades to use. And then this one is the Sassy Siennas palette, and it has like the sienna shades, or like corally browns. There's a burnt orange. So I'm actually gonna use both of them today, because I have a look in mind that I want to bring to life. For some reason, I feel like orange is going to be my spring summer shade, so that's what I'm going to do for today's look. All right, I'm going to go into the Sassy Siennas palette, and oh, I love the fact that they have the colors on the back, or the shade names directly on the back of each shade. Makes it so much easier. I'm gonna go into Brassy shade here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. To do that, I'm using the Morphe M518 brush. Pigment. Okay, dose of colors. Y'all might have did something there. I can see it coming to life already. So I'm gonna blend this into my crease. I'm gonna pretty much bring it all around. So I'm gonna bring it to the front of my eye, up to my brow, and then into this outer part of my eye as well. I really want to take my time with blending, because I want everything, the transitions and everything, to come together nicely. As the shadow reaches up to my brow, I'm going to soften that out, because I don't want that to be harsh. I'm going to dip my brush into the Stay Sassy. It's a dark brown shade here. And I'm going to focus that on here, and I'm just going to take and bring that up, and then blend that. Now I'm gonna go into the Baked Browns palette, and I'm going to go into this shade here. It's Deserted, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna put a little more eye primer on my eye just to make that middle part stand out a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and just blend all of that together. I'm gonna go back into that burnt orange shade, and I'm going to use that to create like a smoked liner across my top lash line. I am going to go into the Sassy Sienna palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Stay Sassy, and I'm going to just start dusting along my lash line, or my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this shade here. It is Bossy in the Sassy Sienna palette, and I'm going to use that to smoke out my lower lash line. Not necessarily smoke out, but just like blow it out so it's not just that harsh brown. And this shade is so pretty. For mascara, I am going to use the Kush mascara by Milk, and I'm really gonna coat my lashes as much as possible. I'm gonna be wearing these Shy Girl lashes. Speaking of these, y'all sold these out in no time. Y'all literally were like, no one else is getting them. These lashes really give the vibe of lash extensions, so that's why I like these. I think it's so crazy how my neighborhood, it's so quiet until I start filming. As soon as I start filming, everyone wants to bring out their motorcycles. They want to start blowing their horns. The freight trains want to do a drive-by. Like, I don't understand how it's so quiet until I start filming. For my inner corner, I'm going to go back into the Baked Brown palette and go into Tea Light, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. They sent me two different highlights, and one is in the shade Milk and Honey, and the other one is in the shade Melonade. I'm gonna go for Melonade because melanated heavily. I think that would go really good with the eyeshadow. Let's look at the other one. All right, so this one is more of like a gold. That one's pretty too, but I'm gonna go with the other one. Oh, that one's pretty. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but that one's really pretty. I'm using the Professional Super Setter by Benefit. For blush, I am going into the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to go into Tao and Lena. The blush just gave what it was supposed to give. Dose of Color sent me not one, not two, but 3 different lip sets. So this is the Cork lip set. It has 3 different browns. There are 2 matte liquid lipsticks. Actually, there's 1 matte, 1 gloss, and 1 velvet mousse, and then a lip liner. I think this liner might not be as dark as I want it. Oh. Let me shut up. Let me shut up. Okay. I think these are more the vibe for this look, so I'm going to try maybe the mousse. Is that a little too pink though? I'm gonna go in the center with Supernatural by Dose of Colors. I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. So I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors lip gloss. This one's from the Truffle set, and I'm just gonna put that in the center. That's probably a little too pink. That's a little too pink. All right, hold on. Let me put my earrings in. I'm wearing the K by Carucci earrings. I forgot which one these are. If you guys want or you're interested, just let me know and I'll go ahead and link them for you. But they're so cute. I love these so much. They're so cute, small, and I don't know, I feel like they just add the perfect touch to any look. I put on this pink little raincoat that I got from Zara. It's super cute. I love it. And for my fragrance, I'm going to put on the Burberry Her. I love this. I got this one and the Marc Jacobs Perfect for Christmas, and I got Chanel, some Chanel fragrances, but I've been obsessed with this Burberry Her. So that completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!